Hello everyone, welcome back to the Azure Data Factory session. In today's session, I am going to show you some of the properties of canvas. What is a canvas? This is the white area which you are seeing inside a pipeline in which we are keeping on adding our activities. That area is called canvas. Okay, so it has got some properties. What are the properties? If you right click on any empty space, right, in a canvas, you will be seeing certain properties. Okay, so zoom in. What is with respect to zooming, we have 4 properties. One is zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit, and reset zoom level. Okay, so zooming in is maximizing the size of the activities. If I click zoom in, if you're seeing the pipeline, right, once I click zoom in, the activity size going to be increased. See, similarly, once again if I click, it's going to be increasing in size. Okay, zoom out is just opposite. It is going to minimize the activities size. So this is how we reduce the size of the activities. Okay, what is zoom to fit is, it will make the activities occupy the whole canvas. If I click this, these 2 activities are going to occupy the whole canvas. See here, this is how it's going to look. Okay, so what is reset zoom level? We don't want the changes that we did with respect to zooming, so we want to set it to the default size. So if we click this, it will resetting the activity size to the default size. Okay, so apart from that, auto align property. So in SSIS, we would have added so many tasks, containers and other stuffs, and we would be looking for auto resize and auto alignment and all. In Azure Data Factory also, we have this option to just align all the activities in a neater way. Okay, we'll be keeping on adding activities without minding how it looks. Okay, before we give it for the users to analyze or some other teams to look into the pipeline side, it will be always good if you use this auto align property to make your pipeline look neater and simpler. Okay, so that is what auto align means. For example, if you go to for each loop, we have 3 activities, and what how it looks is, it looks very clumsy. Even though we have only 3 activities, the flow and all we are not able to understand clearly. Okay, so at this point in time, what I will do, I will just click auto align to make it aligned in a very neater way. Okay, so for that only we are using this auto align property. What are the other properties in canvas? Right click, so lock canvas. There is one option called lock canvas. It lets us lock the canvas, in the sense, once we lock the canvas, we will not be able to move the activities around the canvas. For example, right now I am able to move my activities here and there. Okay, by dragging and moving. Okay, so once I lock the canvas, right, I will not be able to move the activities anymore. See, I am clicking and dragging, I will not be able to move it. So for that purpose, we are using locking canvas. We can unlock canvas to make the activities move here and there. Okay, so that is how we lock the canvas, so that we are not letting anybody to move the activities around. Okay, alright. So what is hide nested activities? If you look at the for each loop, right, it is showing there are 3 inner activities present. Okay, what are those 3 inner activities? We have a copy activity, we have a append variable activity, and set variable activity. All the 3 activities are present in for each loop. So that is why it is showing 3 activities in the outside. So we don't want to see this particular detail. Okay, so what we can do is, we can hide the inner details by saying hide the nested activities option. Once I hide it, for each loop is not showing how many activities are present inside. Okay, so that is how we hide and we show the nested activities. So these are the some of the properties that we can make use of while we are developing a pipeline, so that it makes our jobs simpler. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I keep seeing that many people are watching this video without subscribing. I request you people to subscribe to my channel, so that will be a confident that will be increasing my confidence, and I will be uploading more videos in the same technology. Okay, for those who have subscribed, I am thankful to you. Keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you.